Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is my Makeup Monday's video. And in Makeup Monday's videos, I like to come and do something makeup related. It could be a look, it could be sharing makeup with you, just whatever I feel led to do. So I do want to start, you notice my background is changed. I'm currently working on what I'm going to do for that. So please don't mind, it's not going to stay like this. This is temporary. I will be adding more and really fixing it up. I'm just in the process of getting everything because I have a idea in my head, and so hopefully it all comes together, and I have not had a chance to go and get everything that I need as of yet. So with that being said, in today's Makeup Mondays video, I am going to share with you guys a recent Ulta haul that I did. So some were gifts and some were for myself. So let's just go ahead and get started. So it's not a lot though, so I thought I would just share this with you guys. So I did pick up this multi-masker gift set. It looks like that. From Mario Badescu. It was $12. It came with 3 masks, a super collagen mask, brightening mask with vitamin C, and the flower and tonic mask. It says they are all 1 ounce. And I got myself this, and I got an extra one for a gift for somebody. I knew that I love these, and I think that they are such a great deal and great buy. So I picked up 2 because I knew I'd love to gift somebody. You know, I could take them out and I can give 1 to each person if I wanted to, or I could gift the whole thing. But yeah, so they come like this. They're decent sizes. Masks are one of those things that do take a very long time to go through. So the fact that they're a 1 ounce, that is perfect in my opinion, because you definitely can't, I definitely don't go through them enough. I have so many. This first one, like I said, is the Flower and Tonic. I think they do have seals, which I'm not going to open at the moment because, like I said, I have a lot of masks that I'm working on. But now, let's see. The Super Collagen Mask delivers skin smoothing hydration. The Brightening Mask Vitamin C says that it is for radiance and glow. And then the Flower Tonic says it's for purified pores and balanced skin. So I was really excited when I saw this for $12. Like I said, you cannot beat that. It's, to me, it's a great, great deal. And I just had to pick it up. Mario Badescu at times can be kind of pricey. So the fact that they had a 3-piece set was really, really nice. The packaging is super cute as well, which I'm not going to keep. I'm going to go ahead and toss it. But very, very great gift idea, I think, in my opinion. Okay, the next thing that I picked up, so, is this, gotta get my receipt out, sorry. I talked to you guys about this before. I think I shared on here that I love the Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer. That is what it looks like. And this is like $4.99, I think. Let me see. Yeah, $4.99. I think it's a great, great deal. It smells good. But I love this for lash primer. I think it's so affordable. It's such a good product, in my opinion. I have recommended it to other people. I have tried the Voluminous Lash Primer, which is not bad. And I have tried the Lancome Lash Primer, which I do enjoy as well. It's just a lot more pricey, so I feel this does the same thing, but it's so much more affordable. And then currently I'm using one from Maybelline, I believe, and it is, let's see, it's right here. I've never tried, it's the Colossal Big Shot Tinted Primer. So this one is a primer, but it is in the dark color. It's not in the white. And I've been using it now probably for a week or so, maybe a little bit longer. It's okay. It's not my favorite. It was given to me, so I'm going to use it and continue trying it, but I still love this one, so that's why I picked it up, because this is still my favorite, and again, it's so affordable, and I just really think that it does really make my lashes look really, really good prior, and it works with any mascara in my opinion, so I picked up that. And then a couple more items I picked up for myself. So this will cost me a point at the end of my palette challenge for the month of November. I will lose 1 point for this haul. I wouldn't if none of it was for me, but because I did purchase a few things for myself, then I will be losing a point for this purchase. I did see these. I hadn't heard a whole lot about these products until I went into Ulta. But this is the Morphe and Lisa Frank Beauty Sponge Set. It says Treat Me Sweet. The packaging is super, super cute. If you guys are close to my age, which I am 40 now, you would know exactly what Lisa Frank is. Or if you're a little bit older than me, you probably do know what that is. She just had the cutest stuff. She had lip glosses and lip balms and little folders, like school folders and pencils and things like that, and it was just super, super cute. But this is a sponge set that comes with 2 full-size bubblegum beauty sponges and 3 mini bubblegum beauty sponges. So I'm assuming the pink and green are the full size, then you get a purple, yellow, and blue mini. That is what they look like. Just super cute, guys. I saw this and I couldn't believe it. I had to get it. I didn't have to, but you know, it retailed for $19, which is not bad considering that you're getting 5 sponges. So pick that up to try and let you guys know what I think. And then I also picked up this Morphe and Lisa Frank Artistry Palette 35B. So this is the only cover one they had at Ulta, but I noticed on Morphe's website that they have the tiger, a couple, like 2 unicorns on the front, or an aliens, I guess you would say. So I'm pretty happy with the one that I got. I think this was the cutest in my opinion. All of the shadows inside are the same. It's just that the covering for the palette is different, but the shadows are all the same. So it's a 35B. It says, anyone who knows me knows I love color, and this vibrant palette is bursting with it. Be your own artist and create looks that are as bold and bright as you. And then, so yeah, that's super cute, and I'll show you what the palette looks like. It looks just like the box. I have no plans to throw the box away. I'm going to try to display it somewhere on my makeup desk. But again, it looks just like the box. And then you open it up like a notebook. And there is a pretty hearted mirror right there. And here are the shades. Lots of pops of color, lots of funness. So I feel like with Morphe shadows, you kind of have a hit and miss. And when I saw this palette, I almost didn't get it because I was like, you know what? I was gifted the Morphe James Charles palette, and I compared them side by side with each other because when I initially saw this, I was like, it's so cute. It reminds me of my childhood, and that's why I wanted it. It's like one of those items that brings such good memories, and it's one of those things that you're not going to try to pan and finish up because you just want to have it. And I would love to pass it down to my daughter when she's old enough to wear makeup, and if she does enjoy makeup at that point, I would love to pass this down to her because, you know, it's something that I loved as in my childhood, the style and the brand of it and all of that. And so I was going to pass it on, but then when I looked at the James Charles and this palette, although they have similarities in colors, these are a lot different in my opinion. I feel that they're not so much like, I'm sure you can dupe some of them, but there's some unique colors in here and they're just super cute. And I just thought, you know what, that I needed to get it, you know, for myself and for my daughter. So the palette does go for $30, which is not too bad, considering that you are getting, let's see, 2, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Well, duh, 35B. I'm so dumb sometimes. Oh my God. It's been a long day at work, and I have just so many numbers going through my head that I can't even get them out. So anyways, yeah, so I think it's just an absolute beautiful, beautiful palette. I cannot wait to do some looks with it. I may even just let my daughter come on here a couple of times and do several different looks on me and see what she comes up with. Because it'll be interesting to see what colors she gravitates towards and all of that. So I may do that. She has been asking me again about doing my makeup. So we will see. But it's super cute because where the mirror is, right here, there is a line that says, this palette belongs to, and you can write your name on the line. And that is so, so cute. I remember these folders, the Lisa Frank folders would have on the inside, this folder belongs to, and you'd write your name. So definitely brings a lot of childhood memories. I'm so happy to have this, and definitely will be doing some looks for you guys with this palette. I know there's a lot of palettes I have yet to touch and do looks with on my channel, but although they're not newer palettes anymore because I've had them, just trust me that I will come on here and I will do some type of look with them. So yeah, I got that, and I'm super, super excited about that one. Okay, one more item that I did get for a gift on Instagram. If you guys are not following the freebie guy, I have talked about him many times on my channel, and I have shared with you guys all of the fun free things that I've either gotten discounted very, very low or almost free or free because of him giving us codes and announcements and things like that. So if you haven't checked him out, definitely check him out. But he had put on his Instagram that Ulta was doing this kind of, if you made a purchase of so much, I think it was like $40, you would get all these free products. So and this has been like a week or two ago, I want to say. And so I went on there, and you had to purchase this benefit little gift set right here. Comes in this nice little round cylinder, I guess you would call it. It's super cute. It has like all kinds of different faces on it and all of that. But what comes in here, and I don't want to unwrap it, but what comes inside is a mini black roller liner, which I have tried, and it is a really great product. A full size of the Roller Lash Mascara, a full size of the Professional, and a full size of Shade 3 Gimme Brow, which is probably like just the brow gel. Full size Professional Primer. The mini, which is still a great size of the Roller Lash Liner. I like that liner. It is really good. I would say it's probably my second favorite to my Stila that I use. This is number 3, which is probably like the medium brown, dark brown. And then you get a full size of Roller Lash Mascara, which I really do like. This is a very nice mascara. It does have a smaller wand, but it gets in there and gets every single lash picked up. So this retailed for $40, which in my opinion was not bad because I believe, if I'm correct, the Professional full size is like $30 by itself. And then the mascara, I think, is $25 full size. And probably the Gimme Brows $25 as well. So to me, that was a great deal. But I did it because you got all these free gifts with that. So I did get a sample deluxe size of the Professional Primer. Right there. And I will be saving this for either a gift or a giveaway. I did get the Hoola Benefit Bronzer, which I do not have. It might be in my Benefit palette. If it is, I might just go ahead and pass this one or keep this for travel. But I will decide. I haven't decided. And then this is a mini Roller Lash Mascara, which I think I have one already. So I may give this for a gift or giveaway coming up soon if I have one. But I do like that one. And then this is their Real from Benefit. This is a great mascara as well. I really do enjoy this. I may have one already in this size that I have yet to touch. If I do, that will be going in a giveaway as well. Another thing that they gave was this Kylie Jenner lip kit. This one is in Bare. It is the full-size kit right there. And I do not have any of her lip kits because I don't know. I just could never get myself to use my money to support her. I just, you know, couldn't do it. I'm not a big fan. I know everybody loves them. I'm sorry if I offend you. They're just not my cup of tea. But when I saw that you're getting this full size free, I thought, man, what's a great deal. So this is I believe it's a velvet liquid lip and a lip liner. And the fact that I got it free, of course, was, now the lip liner is very creamy, which is very surprising because I had never tried the lip liners. So let's see what smells like cupcakes. And the lip liner and the liquid lip actually matches like spot on. So there's the liner right here, and then the liquid lip, and they are identical in color, which is very crazy because most of the time when you have a lip liner and lip kit duo, they're kind of off just a little bit, so that's kind of cool. Smells really good. So that is one of the reasons why I did it. I thought, you get this, I can give it as a gift, and I definitely didn't care for it for myself because I already have a lot of this stuff, but I thought if I can get this, but get this, which I think the lip kits, I want to say retail for 30 something. I will find out and put the prices. And I know the little deluxe sizes in these are pretty pricey as well. These retail for $13, the mascaras in this size. So for me, getting those free, 2 of those, the primer, the bronzer, which I'll find the prices, and the lip kit, I thought it was definitely a deal I couldn't pass up. So I went ahead and got that. So that is everything that I picked up. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this Makeup Mondays video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for taking time to watch and to hang out with me. If you did enjoy this video, I would love for you to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. And also I wanted to let you guys know, make sure that your bell notifications are on. Just so if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. I think there's a little bit of an issue with my viewers getting notifications with my most recent uploads. So definitely just make sure, take a moment and just make sure that your notifications are on. And I know that they have been unsubscribing people to my channel as well. So just double check on that if you would like to be qualified for the upcoming giveaway. Like I told you guys before, I'm going to be having a big 500 subscriber giveaway once I get to that point. And definitely on my Instagram, I'm going to be having one as well when I get to that point on there as well. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.